Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to break free from the traditional work-life cycle and live life on your terms, then today's video is just for you. We're diving into a step-by-step breakdown for beginners. I'm going to cover what FI is, why it's so empowering, and exactly how you can start your journey to financial freedom. So let's jump right in. First things first. What is financial independence, or FI for short? Financial independence means having enough money to cover your living expenses without relying on a 9-to-5 job. Imagine waking up and knowing you don't have to work to pay the bills. It's a powerful feeling, right? FI allows you to make choices based on what you want to do rather than what you have to do. Financial independence. Freedom to live life on your terms. Some people use FI to retire early, but it doesn't always mean quitting work entirely. For some, it means pursuing passions, starting a business, or even traveling. It's all about financial freedom and options. Why financial independence matters. Why go for FI in the first place? For many, it's about creating a life that doesn't depend on a paycheck. When you're financially independent, you're more resilient to unexpected life events, like losing a job or facing a medical emergency. It's also about stress reduction. FI means less financial worry and more mental peace. But remember, FI doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that requires patience, commitment, and some serious money management skills. Let's dive into how to start that journey. Steps to financial independence. Step 1. Know your FI number. The first step on this journey, find your FI number. This number is the amount you need in savings and investments to live off of without working. Here's a simple formula. Take your annual expenses and multiply them by 25. This is based on the 4% rule, which suggests that you can safely withdraw 4% of your savings each year without running out of money. For example, if you need $40,000 a year to live comfortably, you'd need around $1 million invested to reach FI. That may sound huge, but we're going to break it down into achievable steps. Step 2. Create a high savings rate. To reach your FI number faster, you need to focus on saving a significant portion of your income. This is called your savings rate. For beginners, aim for 20 to 30% of your income. But if you want to get serious about FI, aim for 50% or more. Yes, it's ambitious, but every extra dollar saved today is one less you need tomorrow. Step 3. Cut expenses and live below your means. Cutting expenses doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's all about being smart with your money. Start by tracking your expenses. You'll probably spot a few things you can cut back on. Common areas are eating out, subscription services, and even housing costs. Living below your means is a cornerstone of financial independence. Step 4. Invest wisely. Saving is essential, but to truly reach financial independence, your money needs to grow. This is where investing comes in. For beginners, I recommend starting with index funds, which give you exposure to a wide range of stocks with low fees. They're a favorite among FI followers because of their simplicity and long-term growth. Other options include real estate, REITs, and dividend stocks. Just remember, consistency is key. Investing a little each month can grow into a lot over time. The importance of multiple income streams. To supercharge your FI journey, consider creating multiple income streams. This could be through a side hustle, freelance work, rental income, or even a blog. Having more than one source of income not only helps you save more, but also provides a safety net. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Finally, financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Track your progress along the way. Set milestones, like reaching your first $10,000 saved or investing your first $100,000. Celebrating these wins keeps you motivated. Remember, every step brings you closer to the ultimate goal of financial independence. So there you have it, your ultimate beginner's guide to financial independence. Remember, FI isn't just about having money, it's about creating the life you truly want. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to building the life you've always dreamed of. See you in the next video.